Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So now I am really excited because here I am at the Charis Bible College bookstore, and they have great gifts in this store. Amazing. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and let's enjoy the shopping trip. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now remember that the calendar of collaborations for the month of September is out in my community tab. I'm so excited. We have some amazing things happening this month that you don't want to miss. So the section that I'm in right now is just one of those, standalone stands that rotates. And I'll tell you, this area right here has even gifts for men. I'm going to be showing you a little bit for women, but this area right here is just for men. Great gifts, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you.